everyone, welcome back to Elephant Nature Park, Chiang Mai. And happy Thursday from the Elephant Kitchen. Have you seen mountains of bananas? Let's chop up some bananas for the elephants.
Strawberry cut. 那是看那个关掉了，对。味道的 is make sure.
And then green ones go here. Or you can also throw.
After a good arm workout from banana cutting, let's go visit some horses during our extra free time. The horse ranch staff is so nice to let us walk with the horses and feed them. But prepare for some strong arms like Haley's before you're ready to feed the ponies.
Oh, so strong.
Right?
Just another horse chilling and having fun under the sun. And someone is stealing food from her horse friend. While we're having so much fun with the horses, let's also do some work for them. After lunch, we're back at elephant work. This time we will help out cleaning the food and water tanks at the elephant shelters. And of course, the rain comes down on us, but we also get to take a break and watch the elephants enjoying the rain.
Okay, I'll be there.
Though the rain stops just in time for daily river crossing.
Yeah. Hello.
Done for another day. I wish the time could go slower. TGIF, not. Because I'm so not ready for the week to be over. But let's go plant some trees for the park.
Where's my tree?
Sorry.
Come on, girl, you got it.
No, I don't. This is kelapa así, ¿no? Como suelta.
That was fun. As always, our elephant friends keep us in awe whenever we pass them by. For our free time today, we will go visit a local school.
We have 6 here for the primary school or elementary school. We have 6 here for the secondary school.
Today I would like to show you about activity. There are 7 activities.
The school arranged a lot of activities for the students to interact with us foreigners, such as music and dance performances, food and beverages, bracelet making, etc. We also get to play some sports with the students.
Oh, okay, okay.
This Friday afternoon, we have another elephant walk, but this time with Darrick. He will tell us even more stories of each elephant we're visiting. Other than listening to all the heartfelt stories of the elephants' lives and how they were rescued, it's just so enjoyable to watch Darrick interacting with the elephants.
She likes the hug as the foot comes up. Usually she looks straight up and goes straight around me. Voy Kwan does too. She was fortunate to be, she had her 2 nannies for years, I'll tell you about them. But then Saitong came a year ago last March. No. Saitong came is her half sister, and they've been apart forever. And she was mostly a street lady circus also. Sabu, daughter to a logging mom. Mom's up and where you but separated and they were reunited here and it was so beautiful. Okay, we'll go see some more elephants down there. And then we'll talk about Boy. Handsome. You're the most handsome boy. He's so beautiful. Yes. I always tell you that even when you're big and powerful. So, you, front and center. Yes, very beautiful. Always pictures are gorgeous. Little hair, no damage. Look at that beautiful hair. Perfect. It's a perfect hair. You're perfect. Yes, you're perfect. You like your belly rub too. You like your belly rub?
We also get to visit the male adult elephants shelter. Elephant Nature Park has a huge area specifically for male adult elephants separately due to their possibility to go into musth. Musth is a biological phenomenon when a male adult elephant has increased testosterone production and a temporal gland secretion that cause heightened aggression and sexual behavior. Though with years of experience, Darrick shows us how far he has come along to bond with a male adult elephant like Hope.
Okay, at least he gets something. Here, Hope. Oh, Hope up straight. There's a little. Thank you. Oh, Sheila, you gila? Ingin na mag-in. นี่ไม่ชอบนี่ดีปะ But you can't trust it at all. You can't trust it. But for his eye, I was doing the treatment. You have to put the treatment in, and this was when he was in musth. Hey, you want more, huh? My me. Behind me. Sorry, guy. Not gonna get it. So that's our training area.
This is Molly Wan. You can see her split trunk because of previous knife cut wound from her earlier life before being rescued to live in an elephant nature park. It makes me wonder once again, why would people do such things to animals, ever?
Did you see when she draws in, this is under the water. She draws in and she puts this on the tip of her tongue to close the hole, and then has her trunk inside and blows the water. This is a temporal gland, but in a female sometimes it just get damp around here. In a male it just drips down. And then